Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use keyframes in CapCut for PC. So here I've already added a video, and to use a keyframe you need to click on the video first, and then you'll find the settings in here. So keyframe basically you can find it anywhere in this settings. So you can see this icons right here. This diamond icon is where the keyframe is. So you can see there is keyframes in position and size, in blend, and also in opacity, and also in audio here. And yeah, that's basically it. So here I'm going to show you how you can use the keyframe. So first I'm going to, for example, I want to add the first keyframe at the beginning, and then I'm going to move forward, and then I'm going to lower the opacity, and then another keyframe will be added, and the result will go like this. So it will lower the opacity. I'm going to lower it more to see the differences. You can see it's different now, and you can add another keyframe in here to bring it back to the default settings. So you can see the differences. So keyframe is actually pretty crucial in editing, so you can just play along with it. So that's basically how you can use keyframe in CapCut for PC. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, leave a comment, and like this video. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.